So hey guys, happy Sunday. So me and Chris are going to do some bit hiking in Wellington Beach. This is like 20-30 minutes drive just for
Car first.
another scenery. It's up to you. Okay, so yeah, come with us guys. Look at me, sit there. So on our way now guys to Wellington. So look at that guys. Show you the road.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, we're hosting tonight. You free? Yeah. Alright, see you there.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You ain't harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning.
Yeah.
I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you,
So we made it here to Wellington Beach guys. So we're going to walk and enjoy the beautiful beach. I'll show you guys. Oh, there's lots of people there enjoying the beautiful beach. I'll show you guys.
Cheer to the governor while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs now. We got this, rest assured.
Look at that guys, it's so beautiful. See there? Like here. Down here. Oh! Alright, we're going to walk now. Like we're going to walk on the side. There's lots of people there. So beautiful. Today is April 7. This is April 7 today, 6. So yeah, we're going to walk there guys. We're going to enjoy the beautiful weather. Okay. Alright, so hey guys, we are here at Wellington Beach. We're going to walk there. Okay, so we are going to walk now in a seaside. A little bit windy here, but it's nice. I'm wearing my summer hat, wearing the winter hat still, which is good because it's still windy. Very windy and cold, guys. So yeah, look at that beautiful beach. This is a Wellington beach, guys. Here it is. Close to City Harbor. So nice. Very beautiful. Cute, eh? Yes, yeah. Destination stays secure.
R300, Marshall Summit, Lady
There's a
T,
restroom there.
hella tipsy, feeling dizzy, petty, getting cross, kicking Henny, while I'm on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo, take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel.
So this is the view, guys, from the park. You'll see the Wellington Beach. Huh? So yeah. Start. Breathe. Smile. Alright. Come up here. Come. Breathe.
Some rock hard beach stuff.
So take a picture of you there. Go up. Smile. Okay. And this is the park, guys. There you go. And then this is the beach again. Park our car over there. There you go. And there's the paper plug again there. Alright, so hi guys, we're back here in the car. Because it's very cold. Like, you know, the beach wind are so cold. So I said to Chris, we're going home. It's because I feel pee too.
Oh, yeah, 70 kilometers.
But it's
75
sunshine.
kilometers on this thing when you get over.
It's so nice, yeah. How beautiful. Do you enjoy it, guys?
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. So yeah, we're going home, guys, now. Alright, see you at home. Bye. It cooled down now the thing, but it's still cold. It's because of the wind.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, we're hosting tonight. You free? Yeah. Alright, I'll see you there.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel
can make one room.
Blushes
I mean,
all
one
you
layer.
get. You're just so stunning.
No.
I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you,
So we're here Bilbo now, guys. You can see this bridge is here in Bilbo.
Arthur Unit, Marshall
This
Sonny,
one's
Lady Titty, Helen Tipsy, feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, Rican Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo, take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, no, we got this to rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you. About you. About you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you,
okay, we're home now, guys. Home sweet home. So yeah, that's our hiking, walking today, guys. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Say bye.